Dave Winfield was born on October 3, 1951, in St. Paul, Minnesota, USA. His childhood was not easy. His father was often absent, and his mother worked very hard to support the family. Dave learned early how to be strong and independent. He loved sports from a young age. Baseball, football, and basketball were his passion, but baseball spoke to his heart the most. He spent hours practicing, dreaming big, and believing in himself. Even when life felt unfair, Dave stayed focused. He did not complain. Instead, he worked harder. People around him noticed his size, strength, and talent. But more than that, they noticed his discipline. Dave believed that sports could change his life. He promised himself he would not give up. This promise became the foundation of his future greatness. Dave Winfield was not an ordinary athlete. In school, he was great at many sports. He played baseball, football, and basketball at a high level. Coaches were amazed. His strength and speed were uncommon. He attended the University of Minnesota. There, his talent exploded. He became famous on campus. Dave was so good that professional teams from different sports wanted him. Baseball teams watched him closely. Football teams wanted him too. Even basketball scouts showed interest. This almost never happens. Dave had a big decision to make. He chose baseball, the game he loved the most. He was calm but confident. He knew he was ready. His choice would change his life forever. Dave did not rush. He trusted his heart. That decision became one of the smartest choices in sports history. In 1973, Dave Winfield entered Major League Baseball. The San Diego Padres drafted him. Something incredible happened. He went directly to the major leagues without playing in minor leagues. This was extremely rare. Many people doubted him. Dave stayed quiet and focused. In his first season, he worked hard and learned fast. He faced strong pitchers and tough pressure, but Dave did not break. He improved every year. Fans loved his powerful hits and strong arm. He became one of the Padres' biggest stars. His confidence grew, but his humility stayed. Dave respected the game. He respected his teammates. Slowly, he became known across America. His name started to mean power, consistency, and reliability. Baseball had found a new giant. As the years passed, Dave Winfield turned into a superstar. He hit home runs. He drove in runs. He won games. His height and strength made him dangerous at the plate. Pitchers feared him. Fans admired him. From 1979 to 1988, he was selected as an all-star many times. He won Gold Gloves for his defense. Dave did not only hit well, he also played great defense. He could throw runners out with ease. His reputation grew season by season. He was not flashy with words. He let his performance speak. Dave became one of the most complete players in baseball. Children wanted to be like him. Opponents respected him. He was living proof that hard work pays off, but his journey was far from over. In 1981, Dave Winfield joined the New York Yankees. The contract was huge. The expectations were even bigger. New York is not an easy city for athletes. Fans demand perfection. Media pressure is intense. Many players fail under this weight. Dave stayed strong. He performed well. He helped the team in many important games. But problems followed him. Injuries came. Criticism grew louder. Some fans were unfair. They blamed him for losses. Dave felt hurt, but did not quit. He continued to show professionalism. Even when criticized, he kept working. This period tested his mental strength more than his physical power. It shaped him as a man. Dave learned patience, discipline, and silence in the face of noise. Dave Winfield was not only about baseball, he cared deeply about people. In 1977, he started the Dave Winfield Foundation. He wanted to help children, athletes, and communities. He believed success means giving back. He donated money, time, and effort. He helped sick children and supported education programs. Dave showed that kindness is real power. Even when his career was busy, he never forgot others. His foundation inspired many players. He proved athletes can change lives beyond the field. This part of his life is often overlooked, but it may be his greatest achievement. Baseball gave him fame. Humanity gave him purpose. Every great life has struggles. Dave faced injuries and legal issues later in his career. Some moments were painful. Critics returned. Doubts surrounded him again. But Dave did not collapse. He trained harder. He stayed focused. He moved to different teams, including the California Angels and Toronto Blue Jays. Each time he adjusted. Each time he gave his best. His experience became his strength. Younger players learned from him. Dave showed that age does not end greatness. Wisdom keeps it alive. He refused to let setbacks define him. Instead, he used them as lessons. This chapter shows his true strength. In 1992, Dave Winfield reached a dream moment. He played with the Toronto Blue Jays. That year, the team reached the World Series. Dave played an important role. He hit key home runs. He showed leadership. The Blue Jays won. Dave finally became a World Series champion. It was emotional. Years of hard work, criticism, and patience paid off. He smiled differently that day. It was not pride. It was peace. His journey felt complete. But he still had more to give. This victory silenced his critics. It proved his legacy. Greatness is not instant. Sometimes it arrives late but lasts forever. Dave Winfield retired from baseball in 1995. His numbers were legendary. Over 3,000 hits, hundreds of home runs, many awards. In 2001, he was inducted into the Baseball Hall of Fame. This honor confirmed his greatness. He gave an emotional speech. He thanked his family, coaches, and fans. Dave reflected on his journey. From a tough childhood to baseball immortality, he became an example for future generations. His name was now history, but his influence continued. Retirement did not stop him. It freed him to inspire in new ways. Today, Dave Winfield is remembered as more than a baseball player. He is remembered as a leader, a role model, a giver. His life teaches us discipline, patience, and kindness. He proved that success and humility can walk together. Dave's story is not just about sports. It is about believing when others doubt you. It is about staying calm in pressure. It is about helping others when you rise. His legacy lives in stadiums, in charity work, and in hearts. Dave Winfield did not just play baseball. He lived it with honor, and that is why his story still matters today.